उठे हुए थे.
हाँ start.
Good morning. Hello everyone. Hi. How are you? Yes, we already met in our previous lecture Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday we have done. We learnt about the what? How we can get the cotton. How we can get the cotton. What is the cotton? And how many things is required for to get the cotton? है ना? And I gave you one work and some students are sending me very nice reply. Some students send me the nice reply. They made the pleasant, outstanding drawing of the cotton, of the field of the cotton. है ना? And what is very much required to get the cotton crops? Yes, sun and the rain. Both are very much required to get the cotton crops. Very good. And some students made the wonderful, awesome drawing of the field. Yes, so I want to appreciate them by clapping. Yes, good, well done, good job. है ना? Now, in our today lecture, we will learn about what? Yes, we will learn about the raw material. Raw material. What is raw material? Raw material for cloth. Okay, raw material for clothes or clothing we can say. Raw material for cloth. How we can get the cloth? है ना? What is written first? I will tell you what is written in your book. It is very much written in your book. Clothes are made up of different material like cotton, wool and silk. Yes, it is very much right. I am reading on page number 18. है ना? We get cotton from cotton plants. Where we are getting? We are getting cotton from cotton plants. Yes. And once again I will make a picture for cotton. See, every plant has seeds inside it. Are you agree with me? है ना? Every plant has seeds inside it. हर प्लांट के अंदर seeds होते हैं. Every plant has seeds inside it. Then how we can get the cotton? हमें cotton कैसे मिलता है? Yes, farmer will. What are these steps? Yes, first farmer will grow the crops in their fields. Yes, and the requirements of these crops are heat, means sunlight and rain. Yes, agreed. Yes, it is very much required. Then this crop will mature. अगर जब ये पक जाती है, crop will mature. Then this cotton ball will burst. This cotton ball will burst. ये जितनी भी cotton balls होती है, these called white cotton balls. है ना? What are these? These are the white cotton balls. और ये क्या होती है? ये फट जाती है, burst हो जाती है, है ना? Then farmer will collect all these white balls. Farmer, when the crops will mature, then farmer will, then the white balls of the cotton will burst. ये सारी white balls जो burst हो जाती हैं. Burst means what? We have done one activity when you was in class 1. Yes, blow the balloon, burst the balloon. Blow the balloon, burst the balloon. Blow means फुलाना, burst means फोड़ना, है ना? Then ये cotton balls हैं, जब वो burst हो जाती हैं, फट जाती हैं, then what will come out? The cotton will come out. क्या इनमें से बाहर आ जाता है? इनमें से बाहर आ जाता है cotton. Cotton will come out. Then what will farmers do? Farmer will collect the cottons. Farmer will collect the cottons. वो इन cottons को अपने पीछे एक बैग हैंग कर लेते हैं और उस बैग में ऐसे करके कलेक्ट करते जाते हैं, है ना? Then what will happen? When they will get all these cotton now, then they will take all these cotton into the market for selling. और वो सारी cotton बाजार में लेकर बेचने जाते हैं. Then the shopkeeper and the businessman buy all these cottons, है ना? वो सारी cottons ले लेते हैं. देन व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? क्या हमको डायरेक्ट इससे कॉटन से हमको क्लोथ मिल जाएगा? कैन वी गेट डायरेक्टली क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम दीज बॉल्स, फ्रॉम दीज वाइट कॉटन बॉल्स? हाँ, दिस क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली इज इन योर माइंड. आपके दिमाग में ये बात आनी चाहिए, आपके दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन आनी चाहिए कि क्या हम कैन वी गेट डायरेक्टली दीज कॉटन बॉल्स, कैन वी गेट डायरेक्टली क्लोथ फ्रॉम दीज कॉटन बॉल्स? क्या हमें डायरेक्टली मिल जाता है क्लोथ्स? हाँ, मिल जाता है क्या? नो, देयर आर सम स्टेप्स, देयर आर some steps to get the cotton. There are some steps to get the cotton from these white cotton balls. है ना? First process is what? What is the first process? First process is that when all these cotton will get into the factories, when all these cottons get into the factories, then what happen? They will take out all these seeds. First they will take out all these seeds. Whatever seeds are there in the cotton balls, they will take out all these seeds. वो सारे seeds बाहर निकाल लेते हैं, सारे बीज बाहर निकालते हैं, है ना? Then we will get the cloth. एकदम फिर अगर seeds निकाल लिए तो क्या हमें clothes मिल जाएगा? It's happen, ऐसा होता है? No. It's not happen like that. Then they clean the cloths. What is the process? Then they clean the cotton. वो cotton को साफ करते हैं. They clean, they take out all the dust, है ना? वो सारी की सारी dust उससे बाहर निकालते हैं. Then we get this type of cotton, and then we get this type of cotton, है ना? Have you seen this type of cotton at your home? Yes, many of you have seen this type of cotton at your home. Your dadi, your mummy are using to make the diya batti, है ना? They are using this cotton to make the battis, which we are using while doing prayer of the God. भगवान को हम दिया बत्ती करते समय इस बत्ती का उपयोग करते हैं ना? We are using this. हाँ, so this is cotton, है ना? And today I will tell you how we can get the thread from the cotton. Today I will tell you how we can get the cotton from this cotton. What is this? Is in my hand. This is cotton. What is the spelling of cotton? C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. And what is the color of this cotton? White. Color of the cotton white, है ना? Now I will take out some cotton and I will show you how we can get the thread from the help of cotton. मैं आपको बताऊंगी how we can get the thread, है ना? Yes, I took little cotton and I am going to make the thread with the help of this cotton. See, can you see? Can you see? Yes, now I start making the thread, है ना? It will take time. It will take time. When you will do this activity practically at your home, आपको भी ये ऐसे बनाना है thread. You have to make this thread with the help of this natural cotton, है ना? And paste in your EVS notebook. आपको भी इस तरह से thread बनाना है cotton के help से, and paste in your EVS notebook. But remember one thing, don't take the help of your mama. You have to do this activity at your home by your own. Don't take the help of your mama. Don't take the help of your papa or your elder brother and sister, है ना? I am also doing with myself only. It will take time. When you will watch this video, then you have to make this thread, and while making, please be patient. Have patience. आपको patience रखना पड़ेगा. It will take time, है ना? Then definitely I will get the thread. Yes. Slowly my thread is getting ready. Slowly, slowly my thread is getting ready. Yes, yes. अच्छा, बनाते बनाते अगर बीच में से कहीं से ब्रेक हो जाए, सपोज इट विल ब्रेक इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, डोंट वरी, उसको आप एक के ऊपर एक वापस रख के देन यू विल गेट, है ना, फिर से आप उसको जोड़ के एंड यू कैन गेट इट. 1 or 2 minutes I will take to get this. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, my thread is prepared now. See, little cotton I took, little cotton, है ना, little cotton I took and I got this long thread, and I got this long thread. See my thread, can you see? Yes, this is my thread. You have to prepare your thread and you have to paste that thread in your notebook. Okay, this is my thread and my thread is get ready. You have to prepare this type of thread and you have to paste in your EVS notebook. So yes, so we get thread, है ना. Now I will explain you on board. We get how we can get the fiber. Yes, long thread. What is this? What is this? This is thread, है ना. And this thread convert into yarns. इस धागे को किस में convert करते हैं? Convert into yarn. What is this? This is called yarns. This is called yarns. What is this? This is called yarns. See, this word yarns is very much written in your book. See here with the red ink. We get cotton from cotton plants. It cleaned and made into thin threads called yarns. See, this is thin thread. I get the thread. This is my thread. This is very thin, है ना. And I took 5 minutes to get this prepare. I took 5 minutes to get this thread prepare. इतना सा धागा बनाने में मुझे 5 मिनट लगे. इतने से धागे से क्या इतना बड़ा साड़ी बन जाता है? क्या आपका शर्ट, पैंट, शर्ट, पापा का शर्ट, मम्मी की साड़ीज बन जाती है? नो वेज, नहीं, नेवर, नो. Then it all process is done in the factories. Making threads, all the process, entire process is done in the factories only, done in the कारखाना. In Hindi we call कारखाना, है ना. So this long thread, this thin and long, है ना, thin and long thread, है ना, convert into yarn. Yarn means what? The bunch of the threads. गुच्छा, you called गुच्छा. उनके गोले देखे आपने? This is the type of yarns, है ना. Then yarns convert into fabric. Then yarn converts into what? Converts into fabric. And see, the yarns convert into fabrics, है ना. Yes, we got the fabric. Yes, but क्या fabric से directly we can get the clothes? हाँ, we can get the stylish clothes. We can get the stylish clothes directly buy this fabric? Huh? We can get directly? No. Then this piece of clothes cut and stitch. This piece of clothes cut and stitch, then we will get the stylish clothes. Then we will get the stylish clothes. है ना? Yes. This is the stylish clothes which we are wearing. So understand what is the process of the making threads? Huh? What is the process of the making threads? Yes, this is the thread. And I made this thread with the use of cotton. But remember one thing, don't use the medicated cotton. We people are not using the medicated cotton. Then who will use the medicated cotton? अगर हम use नहीं कर रहे, then who will use? Doctors. Yes, doctor, nurses, ward boys. These all are the using the medicated cotton. Medicated cotton is mostly used for medical purpose only. है ना? They are using in the hospitals. They are using in the nursing homes. है ना? They are using in their clinics, doctors' clinics. They are using the medicated cotton for doctor only, for nurse only, for medical purpose. We all are not using medicated cotton in our daily lives. But we have medicated cotton in our first aid box. Everybody has the first aid box at our homes. When we will get injured, then mama will use that medicated cotton and apply some Savlon or Dettol on our skins. That time she use, है ना? So that is medicated cotton. Medicated cotton and natural cotton, both is different. Both is very much different. Medicated cotton we can use for medical purpose only, and cotton we are using to get the thread, and thread we convert into yarns, and then yarns we convert into clothes, then the pieces of clothes we cut and we stitch, then we will wear, then it is ready to wear, है ना? So it is a long process. It is a very long process, है ना? Once again I will explain this entire process. What is the process? What is yarn? What is thread? What is fabric? How we can get the fabric? How we can get the cloth? What is yarn? है ना? So this is yarn. This is thread. Thread is a long thin thread, है ना? And thread converts into yarns. And yarns convert into clothes, and yarn convert into clothes, है ना? And what is this? We can tell clothes also. We can take fabric also, है ना? So long continue thread makes fabric. Long continue thread makes fabric, and directly woven, है ना? Then we will get the fabric, and fabric pieces of this fabric pieces make the cloths, and this cut stitch, then we will get these cloths, है ना? If you cannot understand on this lecture, I will repeat all these things again and again so you can understand very nicely. How we can get the fabric, कपड़ा कैसे मिलता है? How we can get the fabric? What is the entire process? See, it is extremely long process. It is a very extreme and long process, है ना? Long thread convert into yarn. This long thread, long and thin thread, long and thin thread. Okay, this is long and thin thread, है ना. It convert into yarn. It convert into yarn, है ना. And what is yarn, by the way? This question is raised in your mind. What is yarn? Yarn क्या होता है? What is yarn? What is yarn? हाँ? What is yarn? Okay, I'll tell you. Yarn means the long continue thread fiber. What is yarn? Yarn means the long continue thread that makes fiber. Long continue thread. जब धागा लगातार बनता रहता है तो it's convert into yarn fabric. It convert into yarn fabric and then directly it woven. And then it directly woven. है ना. Woven means what? अब this question you have to arise in your mind. What is the mean by woven? Woven means बुनाई, है ना. Woven means बुनाई, बुनना, कपड़े को बुनना. जैसे sometimes your grandmama and mama is weaving the woolen clothes for you. बुनाई करती है ना, स्वेटर की बुनाई करती है ना. 2 सिलाई लेती है, ऊन लेती है और स्वेटर को ऐसे ऐसे करके बुनती है ना. So this process is called weaven. This process is called weaven, है ना. And before you ask what is fiber, sorry, what is fabric? Fabric what? This is the fabric, pieces of clothes, pieces of clothes called what? Pieces of cloth called fabric. This is fabric. Okay, then this fabric is ready. Then we cut this fabric. हम फिर इस कपड़े को काटते हैं. Then we get stitch और फिर हम इसकी सिलाई कराते हैं. Then we get the clothes और फिर तब जाकर हमें clothes मिलते हैं, है ना. So what is the process? This is long thin thread, है ना. This thread convert into yarn. What is yarn? Yarn means the long thread of fabric. Yarn means the long thread of fabric. And then this fabric convert into what? Convert into piece of clothes, है ना. This is the fabric, piece of clothes. And then this piece of clothes cut and stitched. Then we get these clothes, and clothes is ready for selling in the market. Then we buy from the market and we get the clothes, we wear the clothes and we look smart and confident, है ना. When we will wear the clothes according to our choice, then definitely we look smart. So this is a very long process. By this process we get the thread. I hope you understand. I hope you understand all these process. If you can't understand, I will make you learn in our next lecture. If you can't understand, I will teach you the same chapter but little different way, है ना. Then I will make you learn about the silkworm. What is silkworm? How we can get the silk clothes. So when I will take the next lecture, then definitely that time I will make you more information. I will give you more information about this clothes and this entire process of the cloth making, है ना. So this is enough for today's lecture. This learning is quite enough. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही काफ़ी है. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही काफ़ी है. If I will take the more concept in one day, if I will take the more concept in one day, then you will get confused. आप confuse हो गए, है ना. So this entire process is enough for today's lecture, and I am giving you a little homework. I am giving you a little homework. What is your homework? है ना? What is your homework? So I am telling you your homework. I am telling you your homework. है ना? You have to make the thread with the help of cotton. You have to make the thread with the help of cotton. I am writing your homework over here. है ना? Take some cotton and convert into thread. Take some cotton and convert into thread, and then paste this thread, and then make and then paste this thread in your notebook. है ना? Then what you will do? Take some cotton and convert into thread. आपको थोड़ा सा कॉटन लेना है और उसको धागा बनाना है, and then paste this thread in your notebook, और उसको आपको अपनी notebook में paste करना है. Suppose this is your notebook. This is your EVS notebook. आपको उस thread को अपनी notebook में paste करना है like this. है ना? You can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more than 4 or 5 pieces, and then उसके बाद what you will do? You will make more threads. Then you will make more threads. और आपको threads बनाने हैं, more threads, और आपको more threads बनाना है, और उसके बाद उसके फैब्रिक बनाने के लिए जो यार्न बनाना है ना, ऐसा बनाना है, एंड पेस्ट. है ना? देखो एक साथ तो सारा गोला आपका बन नहीं जाएगा, तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा लेकर पेस्ट करना है. सपोज you will get this small thread. है ना? सबसे पहले आपने सपोज ये थ्रेड ले लिया, ठीक है? अब इसको आप अपनी कॉपी में ऐसे करके राउंड करके चिपका देना, ठीक है? सो यू विल गेट वन सर्कल. है ना? यू विल गेट वन सर्कल फ्रॉम वन थ्रेड, then second circle from second thread, then third circle from third, fourth from fourth. And what is your heading? Your heading is raw material. What is your heading? Your heading is raw material. आपकी heading क्या होगी? आपकी heading होगी raw material. है ना? You have to write your heading over here. है ना? फिर उसके बाद what you will write? You will write long thin thread. क्या लिखोगे आप? Long thin thread. And here what you will write? Yarns. What you will write over here? Yarns. So this is your homework. This is your homework. है ना? When you will watch this video, you will watch this video on Thursday. That time you have to do this work. Take some cotton and convert into thread, and then paste this thread in your notebook. And one more thing, make video. When you will do this activity, make your video and send to me. Make your video and send to me. and I will announce your names. I will announce your name in my lectures. I will announce your name in my lectures. Okay, understood? Anna, in our next lecture we will learn about the fabric from animals. Fabric from animals. This is raw material for clothing from plants. From plants. This material we get from the plants, है ना? In our next lecture we will learn about how we can get the raw material from animals. How we can get the raw materials from animal. Okay, so this is enough from my side. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless. Keep watching, keep study, and do remember one thing. You have to do this activity in your EVS notebook. See, dear students, don't take the help of your mama, don't take the help of your elder brother and sister. You are on learning mode, you have to do. And when you will make the videos as like I made in front of you, when you will make the yarns, है ना, then you have to make your video. Then you have to make your video and send this video to me. And send this video to me. When you will come back to school, then I will give you some gift to you. Then that time I will give you some gift to you. है ना? I will see who is the good and who is doing very nicely all these activities. Then I will announce your names in WhatsApp group. है ना? Then I will definitely give you something to you when you will come back to school.